Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. Yes, I'm back for another video, another unboxing for you guys. You heard it right, unboxing. I have a box here, one box from Coach. Remember when I mentioned from my previous video that I'm still waiting for 2 boxes to arrive that I ordered from Coach during their summer event when they had the 50% off. So I did an unboxing of the one of those 2 bags because it's already arrived. I uploaded it already. So this is the last box that I was waiting for. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. So let's proceed to our unboxing. Yep. So previously I did the unboxing of the Coach Rogue 25 in papaya, and another one was the what's that, Trompe, the Cashin 22 Trompe in the color, I think saddle. I can't remember the color now. So those were the 2 boxes I did unboxing. This is a 3rd box, and you'll be surprised with what I got. But I know probably I'll change the thumbnail for this and you will see already what bag I have. So let's proceed with the unboxing. Ooh, ooh. Ah, look at that. I didn't request for a gift, so that's a bummer. I should have requested for a gift, but yes, here it is. Here is the bag. Can you guess? Can you make a guess what bag I got? Alright, let's open it. Let's not wait any longer, and let's just open this up. Ta-da! Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This looks brand new from the factory with all the wrapping. It's nice. Look at that. Look at that. So this is another Cashin Tote 22 in the color. Let's see what color this is. Now I have to wear my glasses. So this light blush multi leather Trompe Cashin 22. Style number is C9814 in the color light blush multi. So here it is. Look at that color. It's cute. Ooh, I am happy I got this bag. So this is the bottom. So let me remove the packaging and then we'll do a quick story time while I'm doing this. Initially, when this design of bag came out, I'm really eyeing for this color. But then I've read some posts on the Facebook group that they kind of don't like the color. And so I said, why will I get another pink bag? Because I don't know if it's like my age or I shouldn't be wearing pink bags anymore. Part of my brain was saying that like pink is for younger people. So that's why I got the saddle color, and plus the saddle color is cute. But then another post on the Facebook group said, I think she posted wearing a dress and she's wearing this one, that the pink color of this bag is not that bad, and she posted pictures of her wearing this and it looked so cute. So when they had that 50% off, I said I'm gonna get this one. And then when I checked the website, it is already gone. For some reason it's gone, because at that time Rakuten was giving 12% rebate. So I was trying to go from Rakuten, then purchase the coach through Rakuten, but I cannot get the rebate because it's saying it's sold out. So I waited. Let's see, been browsing at the coach website for the whole freaking day just to see if it will show up. Then later on that night, this bag showed up available, but not through Rakuten. I don't know why it's still showing sold out on Rakuten. But this one, when I just type in coach.com, this was available and I was able to order it. And then part of me was saying like, my order went through, I got confirmation number, but sometimes, you know, when it is already sold out, Coach will send you a letter, an email that's saying, oh, we cannot fulfill your order, its item is not available anymore. So I waited for that email, and like a day or two after, I received an email that my item is already being shipped. So it means it's not sold out. So I was so happy. Got it like 5 days after it was shipped, and here it is. Here I am doing unboxing video for you. So yeah, here it is. Here is the bag. Look at that. Look how cute the color of this bag on the camera. So that's a closer look. This was a surprise for me, this color. I thought it would be more muted, but I like it. It's bright. And the yellow is more like a mustardy color. This one is more like hot pink. Yeah, the hot pink. And this is more like old rose color. On the camera right now, it looks more bright than in person. This is more muted in person. I like this one. Also has that contrast stitching, like the white stitching. And then look at the details on this bag. So this is the Cashin Tote 22, and it has a brassy gold hardware. Ooh, look at that. It came with a dust bag. Yes, dust bag. Let's remove the papers inside. And then, same with the other Cashin tote. It has that pinkish 1941 canvas with a zipper pocket at the back and a Coach creed. And the closure will be magnetic, like so. It's an open tote. So yes, here it is. It's a quick and easy unboxing for you guys. Let me grab the other Cashin tote to show you side by side what it looks like. So here is the bag. Let's remove the strap for this one first so that you can see it better. As soon as I ordered this pink one, it's already sold out right away on the website. So I hope you can still find this one pre-loved, or sometimes like a couple months later some bags will show up at the Coach outlet website. So cross our fingers, maybe we will find that at the outlet pretty soon. So yes, these are the two bags that I got. Cute, cute, cute. I like this is brown, neutral color, and this one is like pop of color. If you want to feel like bright and happy, I would use this one. And just a muted color, subtle color, I would use this bag. But yes, this bag is a keeper. I like it. I like it. And they have feet as well. So there you go, side by side with the other Cashin tote. What's the color of this one? I can't remember. This is in, yeah, so this is in the saddle multi. So there you go. That's our unboxing video for today. The Cashin Tote 22 and in the color blush. I like it. Let's do a quick try on this bag. that's it guys for our unboxing video for today. The Coach Cashin 22 in the color Blush Multi. If you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button to get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!